Navigating dental implant costs, Europe vs. Turkey. Dental implants are a popular solution for those with missing teeth, offering a natural-looking and long-lasting replacement option. However, the cost of dental implants can vary significantly depending on the location and the quality of the treatment. In this article, we will compare the costs of dental implants in Europe and Turkey, two popular destinations for dental tourism. Europe has long been known for its high-quality dental care, but it also comes with a high price tag. The cost of dental implants in Europe can range from A1,000 to A3,000 per implant, depending on the country and the clinic. This can make it difficult for many patients to afford the treatment, especially if they need multiple implants. On the other hand, Turkey has emerged as a top destination for dental tourism in recent years, thanks to its high-quality dental care at a fraction of the cost. The cost of dental implants in Turkey is significantly lower than in Europe, with prices ranging from A500 to A1,500 per implant. This makes Turkey an attractive option for those looking to save money on dental implants without compromising on quality. But how does the cost of dental implants in Europe compare to those in Turkey? Let's take a closer look at the factors that can influence the cost of dental implants in both regions. 1. Quality of care. One of the most important factors to consider when getting dental implants is the quality of care. In Europe, you can expect to receive top-notch treatment from highly trained and experienced dentists. European clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and follow strict hygiene standards, ensuring a safe and effective treatment process. In Turkey, the quality of dental care has also improved significantly in recent years, with many clinics now meeting international standards. Turkish dentists are well-trained and often speak multiple languages, making it easy for international patients to communicate with them. While the quality of care in Turkey may not be on par with that of Europe, it is still considered to be high and can offer good results for patients seeking affordable dental implants. 2. Cost of living. The cost of living in Europe is generally higher than in Turkey, which can drive up the cost of dental implants. European clinics have higher overhead costs, including rent, salarius, and equipment, which are passed on to patients in the form of higher treatment fees. This is one of the main reasons why dental implants in Europe are more expensive than in Turkey. In Turkey, the cost of living is lower, allowing clinics to offer dental implants at a more affordable price. Turkish clinics can still maintain high standards of care while keeping their prices competitive, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money on dental treatments. 3. Exchange rate. The exchange rate between the euro and the Turkish lira can also impact the cost of dental implants for international patients. Fluctuations in the exchange rate can make dental treatment in Turkey more or less expensive for European patients, depending on when they choose to undergo treatment. It is important for patients to consider the current exchange rate and how it may affect the overall cost of their dental implants when choosing between Europe and Turkey for treatment. In conclusion, while the cost of dental implants in Europe may be higher than in Turkey, both regions offer high-quality care and good results for patients. It ultimately comes down to personal preferences, budget, and the specific needs of each patient when deciding where to get dental implants. Whether you choose Europe or Turkey for your dental implant treatment, it is important to do thorough research, read reviews, and consult with multiple clinics to find the best option that fits your needs and budget. With the right information and guidance, you can navigate the costs of dental implants and achieve a healthy, beautiful smile that lasts a lifetime.